Welcome to the GW Stefini channel. Ever wondered how to avoid tummy troubles while travelling? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of food while travelling. We've all been there, exploring a new city, tasting the local cuisine, only to be struck down by an upset stomach. But fear not. We're here to guide you through the maze of delicious and nutritious meals that will keep your stomach happy, your travel comfortable, and your taste buds satisfied. So buckle up and let's dive into the first tip. First things first, planning. It's the P word most travellers dread, but let me tell you, it's like plotting a heist in the culinary world. Imagine yourself as a gastronomic Indiana Jones, charting your course through the labyrinth of local food spots. The secret, my friends, is to create a snack master plan. This is your map to the treasure trove of local snacks and culinary delights that await you at your destination. Now, how do you go about crafting this master plan? Well, thanks to the magic of the internet, you can research the best local eats without moving an inch from your couch. From blog posts to online reviews, there's a wealth of information at your fingertips. And of course, don't forget to tune into this channel for some insider tips. So get your detective hats on and start researching. Next up, hydration. When it comes to travelling, water is your best friend. Imagine this. You're exploring a stunning new city. Your senses are alive with sights, sounds and smells. Suddenly your throat feels as dry as the Sahara Desert. Not a pleasant situation, right? So what's the solution? Carry a trusty water bottle wherever you go. Staying hydrated not only keeps those pesky dry mouth moments at bay, but it also keeps your body functioning at its best. Water replenishes your body, aids digestion and keeps you feeling fresh and energized. It's like your own personal oasis in the midst of your travel adventure. And let's not forget about those exotic local beverages you'll come across. Sipping on a coconut in Thailand or a mint tea in Morocco can be a delightful way to stay hydrated while soaking in the local culture. So always remember to fill up that water bottle and sip away. Remember, hydration is key. Now it's time for the pièce de résistance, local cuisine. The world is a smorgasbord of flavours waiting to be discovered. Every destination, every culture has its own unique culinary offerings that are a testament to its history, its people, and its traditions. So why not make the most of your travels by diving headfirst into the local food scene? Try the street foods, the hole-in-the-wall eateries, the family-owned restaurants that have been serving generations of locals. Go for that mysterious dish with the unpronounceable name. There's a thrill in pointing at a menu, not knowing exactly what you're going to get, but being open to the surprise that awaits. And remember, food is not just about nourishment, it's about experience. It's about connecting with the place you're in and the people who call it home. So my fellow explorers, be bold, be adventurous, and above all, savour every bite. Dive headfirst into the flavours of your destination. Ah, fine dining. The elegance, the sophistication, the adventurous menus. But let's be real. While travelling, the last thing you want is to be doubled over in your hotel room because you chose the most exotic item on the menu. So when dining in restaurants, we need to make some smart choices. It's not about skipping the local cuisine, but rather about balancing it with some lighter, healthier options. Most restaurants have a light or healthy section in their menu. Don't ignore it, it's your friend, it's your ally. It's the secret to enjoying your trip without any unpleasant surprises. And remember, it's all about portion control. You don't need to finish that mountain of pasta just because it's there. Listen to your body, stop when you're full, eat well, travel well. After all, a happy traveller is a well-fed traveller who doesn't have to worry about tummy troubles. When in doubt, snack it out. Travelling is an adventure and you never know when you'll need a quick energy boost. So why not be prepared with some healthy, tasty treats? You can't go wrong with nuts. Almonds, cashews and walnuts are great sources of protein and healthy fats. And don't forget about dried fruits. Dates, apricots and raisins are all travel-friendly and packed with nutrients. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more substantial, protein bars can be a lifesaver. Choose those with minimal added sugars and a good amount of fibre to keep you feeling full. And to add a fresh touch, consider packing some easy-to-carry fruits like bananas or apples. They're nature's fast food, after all. So next time you're packing your bags, make sure to leave some space for these healthy snack ideas. Avoid the hangry moments with these healthy snack ideas. Now, what about in-flight meals, my fellow jet-setters? Ever been perplexed by the mystery meat and rubbery pasta experience at 35,000 feet? Sure, it's part of the adventure, but sometimes your palate deserves better. And here's the secret. You don't have to rely on the airline's menu. Yes, you heard right. With a bit of planning, you can bring your own food. Picture this. You're cruising above the clouds, everyone around you is poking at their in-flight meal, and you're unwrapping a gourmet sandwich you made at home. Fresh ingredients, your favorite flavors, and not a hint of rubbery pasta in sight. It's not just about satisfying your taste buds, it's about nourishing your body too. Let's not forget, traveling can be tiring, and nutritious food is your best ally to combat jet lag. So next time you fly, don't forget your secret weapon, the homemade sandwich. And for our cultured foodies out there, local markets are a goldmine for fresh produce and unique ingredients. Shopping local is not just about the freshness of the produce, but also about soaking in the vibrant culture and lifestyle of your travel destination. It's a sensory delight with a riot of colours, aromas and tastes that are sure to tickle your foodie fancy. And remember, local markets are not just about fruits and vegetables. They're also a treasure trove of local delicacies, artisanal products and unique souvenirs that you can bring home. Plus, shopping at these markets supports the local economy, which is always a good thing. Grocery stores too can offer a fascinating peek into the everyday life of locals. They're also a great place to find familiar items, especially if you have special dietary needs or if you're just craving a taste of home. So get out there and explore the local markets. But what about those of us with special dietary needs? Now, that's a great question. It's true that traveling with dietary restrictions can feel like navigating a culinary minefield, but fear not, because with a bit of planning, you can still enjoy a gastronomic adventure. Before you set off, research the local cuisine of your destination. Look for dishes that align with your dietary needs and learn to explain your restrictions in the local language. This can save you from awkward restaurant encounters and, more importantly, prevent any dietary mishaps. Packing your own snacks is another excellent strategy. This way, you'll always have a safe and tasty option on hand, whether you're hiking up a mountain or exploring a bustling city. Don't let dietary restrictions limit your travel experiences. After all, the joy of travel is about embracing new experiences, and that includes food. Remember, with a little planning, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals no matter where you are. And that's it, folks. Your ultimate guide to eating delicious and nutritious meals while traveling. We've covered everything from planning ahead, staying hydrated, exploring local cuisine, making smart restaurant choices, packing healthy snacks, eating well while flying, visiting local markets, and handling special dietary needs. It's all about the balance, savouring new flavours, but also taking care of your health. So next time you're planning a trip, don't forget these tips. If you enjoyed this tasty adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a culinary escapade with me. Bon appetit and happy travels, my food-loving friends. Happy travels and bon appetit.